Okay, in this video, let's take a look at how we can stop the iPhone from turning on when you pick it up. A lot of people might not like it, and it is actually the default feature of the iPhone. When you just like move your hand with it, like when you move your phone, the screen goes on. However, you can easily turn it off inside of your settings. So all you have to do is to get to the settings app of your phone, then go to the display and brightness section. It is part of the main settings page. And there at the bottom, we have a raise to wake toggle. So when this is turned on, of course, when you pick your phone, it's gonna be turned on. And you just want to make sure it's toggled off, meaning that the actual toggle is not green but gray. But like that is basically the whole process behind it. There isn't really much else. Of course, if it doesn't work and if there is some kind of issue with it, like you probably need to install a brand new software update if there is like a glitch or bug in the way that it works. So yeah, go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if it worked. Subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.